represents passion through service.
I am LO Sag Princess of JCI Maragusan Piagsawitan.
And I am Baby JC Iso of JCI Maragusan Piagsawitan.
And we are your resident hosts. Good evening.
Good evening, our Disney princess.
Yes. So we want to inform our audience that this podcast is very important because
Yes, it's very special because it's the very first podcast or episode for JCI Maragusan Piagsawitan. So it's
Yes.
a very special episode and we're really excited to share with you guys what JCI is all about and of course to our upcoming podcast. So
Yes.
stay tuned for
Stay
those.
tuned for that. And without further ado, to make it more special, let's welcome
Our
Our
special guest for today.
special guest for today. He is an HR by profession,
A certified human resource associate,
a national awardee of the Search for 10 Outstanding Human Resource Students of the Philippines in 2019.
project development associate, DA PRDP PSO Mindanao,
And his JCI journey includes VP for Business on 2023
LO secretary on 2024,
and the LO President this 2025. And he's none other than Mr. Darwin S. Mendentes, CHRA.
Hi everyone!
Hello, welcome, Press.
Thank you so much, LSAC Princess, and of course our baby JCE. So thank you everyone, and again, I also welcome you to the first episode of our podcast. So as what my two beautiful JCs here mentioned earlier, this is really a dream come true for the LO to host or to organize a podcast. So yeah, first things first is getting to know JCI, what JCI is, and what is our LO is pushing for, or everything about JCI. Yeah.
Yes. So, grabe daw, introduction pa lang to. Feel na ako kay Moon to ang okay.
What introduction?
Moon, introduction pa rin to.
okay na yun.
Okay na yun. Okay na to.
Okay na to.
So yes, thank you so much, Press. Because of Press Darwin's initiative, we are here. Yes. And without further ado, we're gonna ask, what is JCI, Press?
Okay, so many of you, if you're following or were friends on social media, so makita guro ninyo na ako mga postings lately for 2025 is all about JCI. So what is JCI ba? Ano sabi si JCI? So JCI stands for Junior Chamber International. It's a global non-profit organization that created for enterprising individuals ages 18 to 40. So most of our members are ages 18 to 40 years old. So that's why I have these two. So yeah, so more on we focus on professional development, economic opportunities, and we create solutions for the problems in the community, to address all the problems in the community on all levels, And for us here in JCI Maragusan Piagsawitan, so JCI Maragusan Piagsawitan, I am very proud to say that just of many organizations affiliated with JCI Philippines, so JCI Maragusan is, it takes pride as the first and the only local organization in the province of Davao de Oro. Yeah, so tayo lang, as of the day, si JCI Maragusan lang po ang local organization in Davao de Oro. So basically, the scope is very malaki, knowing that pila ka barangay ang Maragusan, knowing that how big Maragusan is. So we're a thriving na local organization. We are just a 4-year, very bata pa na local organization. So that's we do in JCI. We do professional development. We contribute to the economic progress or economic opportunities, and we create solutions for the problems in the community in all levels. So basically that's what JCI is. Yeah.
Alright, that's a very straightforward like definition of JCI. But anyways, I'm actually very new to JCI.
Yes.
Also, side
Welcome
note,
to JCI.
thank you. I love the title actually.
Yeah.
Baby
JC.
Baby JC. I love it. Grabe ko. But also, as someone who's new to JCI, could you tell us more about JCI? For me and also for the other viewers, might be
Yeah.
curious.
First budol, second budol. So yun, so JCI, it's part of, or our JCI's international tagline, it's about developing leaders for a changing world. So we develop leaders in the community who really wanted to give impact, no, sa atong community. So that's why we do community projects, but not limiting to on the community itself, no. It's about JCI, it's all about parang developing yourself as a leader, developing yourself as someone in the community, and also developing the community as a whole. So parang ganun, because, di ba, sabi nga nila nga, magsugod magit siya sa mga individuals who really wanted to give or to have, to contribute to the community. So siguro, basically that's, for me, that's JCI. So, but it's not only not only limit for leadership development. Sabi ko nga, we do also contribute to the economic opportunities, also on various aspects, no, in the community. And JCI remains true to its cause, which is nurturing young people. So yeah, sabi ko nga, the ages are 18 to 40 years old. So we nurture young leaders in the community so that they become great leaders, di ba? I know that when it comes to leadership, if you agree, I really believe now we are all born to be leaders, if you do agree with me. Because for me, we are all born leaders and it's up to us on how we parang, oo, yung may passion or may burning something good na maka-trigger sa iba, there's a triggering factor or there's something in you na you really wanted to excel on that. And for me, that's a platform na JCI is giving. No? Actually, JCI really is a budol for me. Why? Because I started JCI, it's because of our 2023 LO President, Eufilo Anino. So, he's very, parang, he really started or he really inspired me to join. Makaingon ko mabudol because he just messaged me na, Dar, bakante ka, just 2 hours of your time. And that time, 2022, it was 2022, di ba super hype ang mga investments.
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
So,
During that time.
pag umingon ka, magbakante ka, just give me 2 hours of your time. Alam, parang, investment.
Oo, ito na.
Kaisip ko, feeling ko kayo, murag na ay introduce ka investment scheme mo si
Open-minded.
Oo, ganun. So, yun talaga. So, that's why, parang curious ko. So, yun. We have a one-on-one OTI, we call it OTI, it's an opportunity to impact. No? So that's one of the parang ticket ni mo para mahimo kang member sa JCI. So yun, it's a one-on-one OTI, and then ipasabot ni Press EU, yung sino si JCI, yung si JCI, and then yeah, and that time, syempre, bago lang, so sige po, okay, join ako. Syempre, it's a group of people which is I am also passionate of dealing with, no? Kaya gusto ko mag-join ng mga organization, especially it comes to leadership development. So, yeah, I'm very passionate on that. And yun, doon na nagsimula. I was inducted 2023 during this time as VP for Business, and then last year, I also become the LO Secretary. So, yun, through IPP, Charlie Main Bautista, and this year, yun nga, so ito na po yung greatest budol, no? Naging presidente po tayo, so I have 1 year to lead this year. So yun, so parang sabi ko nga sa mga kabatch ko or sa mga kilala ko sa JCI na my journey in JCI is very, grabe dyan, parang isang iglap lang, presidente na, no? So, but along the way, it's been 3 months pa lang no, I was technically president, but I was inducted in the national level last October during the nationals NAPCON sa Clark, Pampanga. So doon na talaga nagsimula basically or technically. So doon na nagsimula and then everything hanggang nandito na tayo for the very first episode of our podcast. And yun, really JCI creates a sustainable and long-term result, no? Na it's not only sustainable and long-term result for an individual to grow, for the community also to grow, di ba? Because that's what we are pushing and passionate about when it comes to JCI.
Yes.
So that was Sir Darwin's Poodle story.
Yes.
Yeah.
For me, my
Your
Poodle
Poodle
story
story.
is of course from our Disney princess. Actually, JCI was introduced to me, I think very early on after Binibining
Binibining
Maragusan.
Maragusan, yes.
When I joined Miss Earth, I really wanted to join organizations, you know, ganang magbuhat ko activities para lagyan na
Yes.
visibility for
Yes,
my
yes.
Miss Earth journey. And then Princess kept telling me na, mag-join na lagi JCI. And then I never really knew what it was. So I was like, sige, mag-join ko. So wala ko kabalong sa, ngayon lang ako, sige, tapos wala dyan siya nahitabo. I don't know why, pero marag daghan kinigan na, wala dyan siya nahitabo. Until now, marag,
Like this day. Like this day.
This day, I just did a session
Yeah.
for personality development sa atong aspiring beauty queens. And then I think it's what really triggered for me to agree na mag-join na June is nangayo kog kanang sharing sa katong aspiring beauty queens. And then ang ilang ingon jud daw is na-inspire sila sa ako. So wala, lamin siya sa feeling. And
Yes.
then I thought na perfect ning JCI
Platform.
para ma-continue na ako nagsuko kung
Yes.
magpa-inspire o para searching the meaning and purpose of
I
life.
don't know.
So mo to Poodle story.
Yes.
How about you?
Actually, we are batch sa Binibining Maragusan
Yes.
2023, and I can see myself sa iyaha. Like, we have the same passion for reading and also for inspiring people. We really, after Binibining Maragusan 2023, during our reign, we really want to conduct everything from ingon ko na kanang mag-tree planting to this time, and there will be, go. So, I know nga, kung unsaan ako ang mahatag to, like, kung unsa ako ang gusto nga para maka-inspire ng people, para maka-help sa community, they will be very, very supportive of that. And I want Iso during that time, say Miss Earth, to have that on her own. Like, dili na mag-agad sa Binibining Maragusan because I want her to shine during that time. Kaya iyahan mo tong reign sa Miss Earth. So that's why I kept telling her, nga, go na ba? Kaya naasik niya Darwin, mag-support and everything, and JCI will be there.
supportive to
Yeah.
princess ato ng time.
And I think that is one of the reason also nga I really dig deep sa JCI because aside sa naka-help siya sa ako of opportunities, it also helped me to boost the inspiration within. Murag, okay, go, continue that because we have this supporting organization. It's very super
Yeah.
supportive. My Budo story was very fun. So, sa 1996, Bakery and Cafe, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much,
po,
BBGM.
BBGM. So, nisulod ko, and same lang gihapon, si IPP
EU.
EU. Nisulod
same
ko,
guy.
kay magpalit ko og kape.
Mm.
Tapos ana si IPP, dali isa, we have time. So, may lingkod ko, mabit na ko upuan at working. So, we have time, mag-UTI ta. Ha? I was, Kunsa? So, ayun na siya ba? Mag-appeal ka, JCI, ganito, ganyan. Nag-OTI ni, na supposedly, mag-stay lang ko dala for like minutes lang guro kay mag-order ko sa kape. Nag-OTI ni for like 2 hours, nga wala dyan ko kapalit og kape. Naminaw lang yun ko sa'yo. Tapos, during that time, all I was thinking kay Murag, okay, this will help me and the girls. Kay, during my tama rain, this will help me and the girls to have more like visibility and community outreach, ganon. Tapos, sumoto, take na ko to siya, like, okay, join ko, but not really that fully. Tapos, during Press Darwin's time, doon na, it's like, okay, you're the secretary. What? Wala ko kapaluwat ko. Wala na siya. Sige na, I will guide you, ganon. So, mo to, like, okay, na-secretary ko karon, and that is the main reason why I really want to promote JCI. Kay dili lang nako siya makita as an opportunity for me and the girls, murag advantage magto sa mong part. But at the same time, kung magmakita nako ang unsa jud ang heart for service and unsa jud ang ato ang because we have lots of kanang mga activities.
Yeah.
Even if, as what Press Darwin says, kami ang thriving
Yeah.
pinaka-thriving na kid kuan JCI.
Dali sa ano,
Yes, sa Davao de Oro. So by that, wala kayo ni fundings. Yes, we are. And
Stress na present.
given the small population of the organization, dili pa siya nga naka-big unlike sa cities.
Yeah.
So dili pa kaayo siya ing ana jud og fundings. So even nga gagmay lang ang fund, JCI members really did their best na maka-provide para sa ato ang mga outreach. Especially atong the first appearance I have with JCI was katong nagpakta for
yeah.
ano ganyan?
Yung victims of
Yes.
earthquake ata yun.
Yung sa
Masada.
Masada victims.
yeah.
And I remember na super murag at least 100 lang at ato kapag sa ato ma-provide. And what more, diba? If we have lots of members, and the fundings also, the sponsors, we can help. That time, murag sa lang ito na yung water, yung brush. Like, basic necessities lang yun. Pero we really did our best nga maka-provide. Tapos katong ALS reading, the reading for the ALS kids. Like, yes, grabe ang buwan. And I can see nga, grabe jud ang pagtinabangay sa each member and also the officers. And speaking of officers,
Yeah.
yes, as we want to know, I want to know, and also our viewers want to know if who are the officers of JCI Maragusan kag Sawitan.
Correct. So the officers, no? So basically, no, as mentioned earlier, tama to si Princess, no, na yun, mga budol stories pala to. Dapat ang title is
Budol Stories!
Gando.
JCI edition.
Correct. That's the title of this episode pala. Di ba? Ngayon lang kami nag-isip ng title.
Yes.
Di ba? Galing. But before I introduce the 2025 LO Board of Directors, I just want to also give emphasis on the networking na side. No? It may funny na madungog, but really, JCI is a networking. It's not on the financial aspect, but it really in networking, yeah. Who would thought na I'll met people in the industry, in the different industries. Because once you immerse yourself in one of the activities, at least one of the activities of JCI, you will really appreciate what JCI is. My first engagement with JCI was during 2023 area conference. Tama ba? No, 2023 area conference in which yun met na ko yung mga people in JCI, but I have friends naman na JCI, so particularly si Arman. Arman is from JCI Davao Inc., our father chapter. So basically, Arman is a member of JCI, in which sabay me na 2019 National Awardee for the search for 10 outstanding human resource students. Arman is from Ateneo de Davao. So yun, dalawa lang kami from Mindanao that time. And yun, first engagement, yun si Arman talaga, siya dar, yun. Doon na nagsimula up until now. So we're friends, no? Always may makakita. And yeah, yung the network I built sa JCI, yung pila lang ko, di ba, sa makapaspas na ko, pero grabe ang connection, no? Daghan ng connections, and yun, so basically, it does not limit on the leadership development alone, but it has various areas now. So before we dig in yun sa BOD, so I would like to also to tell to everybody na in JCI, we have these 4 areas of opportunity. So first is individual development. So sabi ko nga, we develop leaders to be professional, to be the person they wanted to be. So that's why we conduct trainings, mga seminar, conferences, just like yung ginawa natin ngayon, no, di ba? It's one of the flagship program of JCI Maragusan, of course, spearheaded by our project chair, the Crowning Glory, a bootcamp for aspiring beauty queens, in which Iso was also our speaker, in which she discussed about personality development, and that's what we wanted to give to the community, no? The access to knowledge management, di ba? Na we can share kung ano man meron tayo, we share, and then kung ano din meron sila, they share to us. Para it's a part, no, kung in simple ways nga atong mahatag sa atong community. That's really a big help. And also last month we conducted various training during our national training month. So yun, so for us here in Maragusan, so though we are very baby pa dyan na LO, but again, we are trying our best to give opportunities, to give these quality trainings, to conduct activities for our locality. And next one is on the part of business opportunity. Sabi ko nga, it's a networking, di ba? So, in JCI also, if you're a business owner or you're into business, you will really gain opportunities when it comes to business because there are a lot of members na business owners, no? They have various ng mga companies, and who would thought na makastoryanin mo sila, and that's through fellowship in JCI, you'll be able to engage with them, talk to them, and then dun na magsimula, di ba? A simple chit-chat, dun na magsimula lahat. So, yeah, so here in our locality, we support mga local businesses, especially, no, just like this. Thank you so much, 1996, for allowing us to use your facility for this first episode. And yeah, thank you VP GM for the support, no? So VP is our VP for business for JCI Maragusan. Yeah, we do other from that, we do fundraising activities for the benefit of the community. So, di ba? Just like last November 2024, that was really a heartwarming. It's a personal project for me because it's the first launching, or it's the first implementation of the Batang Mars, no? Para sa Batang Mars, a free peria project. So that is one of my parang chairperson, ako nag-lead ng project na yun because I really wanted to give to the community. So nakita na ko nga, let's start with the kids. No? Start sa mga kids. So yun, we have given them the opportunity to enjoy the free rides, no, sa ato ang perya because we are also celebrating Araw ng Maragusan that time. It's November, and we are named after our festival, which is the Piag Sawitan. So that's why makita niyo sa mga bata, it's over 100 kids ata that they experience at least 3 rides during that time. And yeah, makita niyo nga happy sila, the genuine happiness of the children na naka-benefit ato nga project. Though it's not that big, it's not that grandiose, no, but really it's yung outcome, and the funding itself it's from it was raised from one of our project, which is also yung Mars Panig. So yung merchandise. So yun that's what on the business opportunity na side. And also next is the third area is international opportunity. So again, given that JCI, it's Junior Chamber International, so basically it has various local organizations across nations. So in which Philippines is one, of course, one of the active countries who has mga local organizations in JCI. So yeah, basically when it comes to international opportunities, we wanted to learn from them what are the cultures, the traditions, or customs nga naa sila under LO. And also on us, parang exchange, di ba? It's exchanging mga practices, exchanging values and ideas. And right now, no, it's ngayon? It's March 22, and it's the second day of the IA Academy 2025, which held at Da Nang, Vietnam. Our past president, our charter president, 2022 president of JCI Maragusan, Pres Lorna Benaflor, is representing our local organization in international na engagement in IA Academy, in which, of course, she will be meeting various mga local organizations, not only in the Philippines, but also with other mga LO across nations. So yun, so it's part of networking. Still, it's networking, di ba? Because you will be able to share your LO to other LOs, no? And lastly, my favorite opportunity for JCI is community opportunity, in which we do community outreach, we do community projects for the benefit of our very own community. Because siguro that's what I am very passionate about. Aside from leadership, it's really in the community, di ba? Dili mo gud kabayaran ng atong kalipay kung makatabang ta.
Yes.
Di ba? And every action nga atong buhaton, bisan pa ginagmay nga mga butang atong matabang sa atong community buhaton nato, di ba? So, and I really see on you, no, the both of you, parang doon tayo nag-jive aside sa leadership na na aspect, na area. Parang you two is really into community development or community and world peace, mga beauty queens kasi. Yeah, so basically that's the 4 areas of opportunity in JCI. So yeah, so on our side in JCI Maragusan Pagsawitan, we are really hoping and parang ginabuhat na mo ang part, no, to really give these opportunities to the community na to, because it's not only for us members of JCI but really to the community where we belong.
Yeah.
You know, listening to everything you're saying, grabe impressive ka.
Yes. And it's really a networking. Pero lahi lang siyang area because we have access to people who's very successful in their field.
Yes.
So, and that is overwhelming, and at the same time, grabe ka, wow.
Pero you know, OOGC is really give and take. Like you give so much to the community, but you take so much learning. So
Yeah.
Actually, it's a joke in JCI, no? Kung ano na daw ROI mo sa JCI, return of investment. Because in JCI, pagawas ka lang dyan, walang filter po. If maging presidente ka, you will really do your best. Because in JCI, what's unique also in JCI, because you will be only given 1 year to lead. So I will not be president on the next mga years. This is only my time to become president of
Yeah.
JCI. Yeah. So you will be given each year to lead for our LO. So that's the unique aspect of JCI na. Yeah, that's why right now this year I'm really giving everything, no? Unsa akong pwede mabuhat, unsa akong makayang mabuhaton para sa LO, buhaton na ko, because this is the only year that I have, for being a president of JCI. And yeah, so yun nga, yung JCI.
So what's your ROI?
So far wala pa.
Nalugi pa siya. Nalugi pa siya.
Baka after NatCon may ROI na. Pero basically, what's the pinaka na-realize na ko ng for. Though basically, nag-start ako October during press ACADS and up until now, the really yung na-learn ko talaga, if when you become president of a local organization in JCI, you will really be selfless for your local organization. Why? Because again, you will be doing everything for your LO. No, I don't want na parang ma-left behind yung LO ko, because I really love these people, I really love this organization. No? Bisan very bata pa siya, pero yeah, JCI really helped me a lot. Very dako pa siyang impact sa ako. And yeah, that's why I'm also giving it back to the local organization. If kung moingon si board of director, moingon sa LSEC or BOD na, press ba na ako, idea nga nyo, sige go! Pero press, asa ta magintag, pangitaan na ito nagpangalan. So yun, so yeah, mo na ako ang learning karon na you will really become so selfless for your local organization and for the community na you are serving with.
Sir Darwin really gave me a really good introduction sa JCI. I'm learning so much, and as someone who's not very familiar pa, I'm very new to JCI, literal na. So of course, I'm curious, and also, of course, the audience are also curious as well. I know you already mentioned some previous activities, projects that you already had in the organization, but do you have other, future plans, like other activities?
Yeah, actually, we do have various activities na line up for this year. But technically, we started last January and we've already conducted mga various activities. So we have already projects partner with Department of Education. We have ALS, our partner. Also, we have Magro, our partner. We have various, like we conducted trainings, we conducted yun nga, today, we just recently concluded the very first boot camp. It's the Crowning Glory, and it's really a great project for me personally. And also, yun nga, yung very close to my heart na project, which is yung para sa Batang Mars, a free pera project in which yun, marami tayong children na napasaya. So at least makita na to na happy sila, happy na pud ko ato mga project. And actually,
Valentine's.
yeah, also during Valentine's Day, we have fundraising activity. And yun, marami tayong mga naka-line up pa. We have upcoming mga trainings for the local organization and for the community we are partnering with. Also, we are currently working on a partnership with one of the local institution in the community. So hopefully, it's part on the business side. So hopefully, we can really push that project. And yun, the flagship program or the flagship project of JCI is one, yung Mars Panig. It's a trail run project. It's on our 4th year. It was headed by our past president, 2023 president of JCI Maragusan Pegsabitan Press EU. He is the project chair, the Mars Panig. So hopefully we can do it on the 5th year this year. So 24K man yun, baka
50?
baka mag-full marathon na tayo this year, hopefully, no? And we are really grateful for the people who really supported us, despite how very young the local organization is, but really, there are people who really supported us. So, yun, and of course, the success of JCI, I really mentioned that success because despite of the very short period, no, na 4 years pa lang tayo, pero I really believe na we really have given impact to the community, no?
Yeah.
Sa ginagmay, di ba? Sabi nga nila na sa ginagmay pero kanunay. So mga ato paningkamutan na we can really give more to the community. We can create more projects for the community for the benefit of them. Because it's not that for us only, but it's on the community itself. And we cannot do that alone, no, without the support of the people behind us. And I would really want to thank everyone who supported us, and of course our local organizations na mga board of directors, no, for the information of everybody. JCI Maragusan Pegsabitan started in the year 2022, in which our charter president is Pres Lorna Benaflor, currently based in Davao. She's an entrepreneur. Actually, she's the mother. Oo, mama figure talaga si Pres Lorna. So she's the charter president of JCI Maragusan Pegsabitan, and I will give the picture. And yun, followed by our 2023 LO President Pres Eufilio Anino, also who has given a lot of project, no, conducted a lot of project for the community.
The Budol of the Year.
Best Budoler.
Oh, Budoler of all time.
Yun, so yung ating 2024 LO President is Pres Charlie Main Bautista, our immediate past president, who is also was the Federation Chairperson of the Sangguniang Kabataan in the province of Davao de Oro. Former board member si IPP Charlie, and currently he is connected with the province of Davao de Oro. So this year, alongside with me are my local organization board of directors, of course, me, Darwin, heading this year's organization. So, yun, wala po tayong choice. Like, a version of no choice, pero tinanggap ko na. And of course, I have my full support. We have our immediate past president, Pres Charlie Main Bautista. We have our executive vice president. We have Michelle Cabalquinto. Also, we have our local secretary, Princess Glory Jane Ihandayan, registered nurse. Also, we have our local treasurer. We have Doniesa Pedrita. She's an educator, a college instructor, and a research enthusiast. No? Also, our vice president, so vice president for community action, we have VP Carlo Seno. He's connected with Davao de Oro State College. Also, we have VP Joper Bebat. He is our VP for internationalism. We have VP Arden. We have VP Arden for VP for individual development. for business, of course, we have Kuya GM Coizon, VP GM Coizon, who is the owner of 1996. For 2 years in a row,
Yeah.
2 years na pong VP for business, si VP GM. And we have our directors. We have our director for fundraising. We have Giselle Panibon. Also, we have our deputy fundraising director. We have Crystal. Also, we have our local skills development director. We have LSDD Eddie. He is connected with the Department of Education under the ALS program. And lastly, we have Director for Special Project. We have Dr. Jinx Pereira.
Oh my God.
Upcoming project po tayo by
This
Monday.
Monday.
We have Petwise,
Yes.
year 2. So we will be, parang there will be a series of talks, no?
Yeah.
About animal welfare, about anti-rabies awareness, and of course, mental health na discussion no, with our pupils from Maragusan Central Elementary School. So again, we extend also our thanks to Maragusan Central Elementary School. And this year, JCI Maragusan embodying a bold and transformative vision for leadership. No, parang my call to action this year is about hashtag Dare and Win because I'm Darwin. So Dare and Win, which is my call to action this year. Dare, that signifies parang encourage to take risks, di ba? Challenges. For
Yes.
3 years, pero grabe lagi na challenges. Gusto nyo na kumuha ng 2 January pa lang magdugaya, mga sa 2025 boy. Yeah, that's what I really wanted for the LO, to really to take risks, no? To expand its horizon, to go beyond boundaries, to push beyond boundaries. So yun yung gusto ko. And of course, to win.
Yes.
No? Not just winning awards, and not just that, it's winning para for me winning for me for that call to action nako is winning for the community, no? In which I am able to share, to give to the community, and the winning moment is that you will be able to look those people na happy sila, na satisfied sila sa ato ang ginabuhat sa ilaha. And yun, this call to action, hashtag Dare to Win, also aligns perfectly to our 2025 JCI National President call to action, NP 32, also to hashtag Build Better, in which it's about building better leaders in the community, leaders who are ready to take risks, just like us in JCI, ready to dare and to for various causes that benefit the community, and committed to win the ultimate reward for the communities we serve. So yun, basically that's Dare to Win.
I like that.
Actually, going back to winning for the
Yeah.
community, I really just want to go back to your Mars Panic na activity. A huge congratulations. You know why? After that activity, daghan kayo dali. Nag-change na
Yeah.
lifestyle.
Yes.
Nakabantay yun ko, mag-drive ko, ay nag-jogging, may nag-running.
May nag-hike.
Yeah, so that's really a win. Congratulations.
Oh, we're winning now.
We're
We're already winning.
Yeah, actually, that's our 4th year, and parang it's more than 500 participants already
Yes.
Yeah, I saw
across
that.
Mindanao.
And that's also a great platform for us, no, to showcase what Maragusan is.
Yeah.
And I just want to add that what we have in common, kita tulo, is the love we have for Maragusan and to
Yes.
showcase it. That is why, I guess, we click agad-agad. And also, sa gilingon ni Kuya na, by the virtue of no choice, because I believe that all of us here, by the virtue of no choice, even our people at the back, no, Kuya Darwin, Pres Darwin, by the virtue of no choice, became a president, but now loving the title, loving the position, and also loving to act, diba? He loves to act and to live with it. And also me being the LSEC, really. At first I was like, Kuya, because he is my mentor when I was joining Binibining Maragusan. So yeah, and he's my senior during our high school days. So I really look up to him. It's like, before, Kuya, June ako na kaya, I don't know what to do. Like, I will guide you, trust me. And me, being his follower since then, I did really trust and no regrets at all. Yes, and
Congrats.
Iso, no?
Yeah, our
Convincing.
budol for tonight.
Yeah. Although for tonight, convincing a year ago, pero di niya alam na member na siya agad-agad during
Ako
that
po
time.
ang biktima for today's
Yes.
Biktima
And-
tayo lahat.
Yes. Pero loving, di ba?
Yeah.
Hearing her
Yes.
confessions on the realizations about
Yes.
JCI and your
Oo.
building love on it, di ba?
Really
Grabe.
today, very special moment for me.
Yeah.
The kind of realizations.
Yeah, I really, ganun ko sa gingan ni Iso na as someone who is new to the organization and hearing those insights
Yes.
and introduction about JCI, appreciate yan.
Yeah.
I would really wanted to others to also appreciate us. Kung unsa ta, sige na lang mag-JCI every week. My weekends are for JCI. Grabe na dyan ba? Actually, I traveled from Davao. Since I'm Davao based, nag-project ka ganina. Up until karon naga-shoot, it's already 8:13. Wala pa ako kaulit sa mga yeah. And going back na sa ganyan ni Princess Kaganina, no, the virtue of no choice. Yeah, but yun nga, we're loving every moment in JCI. And of course, for me, no, personally, I am really savoring the moment, no. Mo dyan na, savor the moment because sa akong ginaingon, it's only 1 year to live. And though it's more, technically it's that 1 year to lead is very lengthy, no? Daghan kaayo kita mo pa along the way for sure. We haven't conducted our induction pa.
Yeah.
Marami pa kayo mga project nga naka-align. But again, as also I remember what our 2022 National President John Glenn Lee mentioned na everything really happens for a reason. And I really, really believe in that. Nabutang ko din rin sa JCI,
Because-
knowing that I initially, parang I really thought that it's a networking, but really it's giving, no, gradually it's giving the investment, no, return of investment, no, may
Yes.
gradual ROI po tayo. And to everyone, no, who wanted to know more about us, no, to really know about the aspect or the passion that we wanted for the community and for the young individuals in the community. So I encourage you to follow our official Facebook page. It's JCI Maragusan Payagsawitan, excuse me. So yeah, you follow us. All of the happenings, mga ganap na mo will be posted there.
Yeah.
Again, we are doing this freely. Hindi po kami bayad dito. No?
Ang ROI po namin is living the moment.
Yeah, actually. So yun nga, we are really doing it for free for the community because that's what we are passionate about. And yeah, we hope that we can touch more lives, no? We can help more people in the community, especially in our locality because sabi nga nila na if you really love your community, you will go back there. No? Karon, I am based in Davao, but basically, I will settle here, di ba?
Yeah.
Taga Maragusan man po. And yun nga, parang Batang Mars talaga ako. So yun nga, medyo pahirapan no for me this year because yeah, I transferred or akong work is Davao po. Tapos may mga project tayo dito sa Maragusan. So every week, balik Davao, Maragusan. Medyo, no, makaikot ko mahagop siya. Pero at the end of the day, what makes me parang realize, no, is the fulfillment and the fulfillment that every projects na atong ginabuhat for the community mo na makapa-fuel pa sa ako to do more, to dare,
And
to
win. Yes. And going back to your statement, Press, na you want to touch more lives and also you want to hear more testaments like Binibini Iso
Yes.
here. So, for example, as someone in the community who did not really know what JCI is, like, or natungog lang ako, but I don't really know what is it all about. How are you going to convince me to join
Ay,
JCI?
saan mo pagputol?
Kung saan mo pagbudol?
First is, pwede ka, bakante ka.
That's you.
First EU.
Okay,
Kailangan mag-level up ka kay Press press iyo na budbud.
Ana din to. Inana tayo ang kuan, ang equation dapat ay inana tayo ang himuon. Bitaw no, if I will be given, if I will encourage someone to join our organization, simply if you have the heart of service for the community, you'll be part of us. No? It's a voluntary organization. Yes, we will be paying our dues here. We will be
Yes.
giving our time, our resources, our energy, as in everything you give to the organization. But if you wanted to be that someone who wanted to give impact to the community, so this organization is
For you.
for you, really. Because, di ba, sabi ko nga, I've been practicing, no? I work in Magro, my previous employer. I worked for 4 years in Magro as a researcher and then eventually become the Human Resource Development Officer. And then I transferred to Davao for a enterprise development under the Department of Agriculture. And something on that years na land is parang there's something kulang, no? Na-achieve ko ginapangita sa akong sarili na gusto ko buhaton, and that is leadership and to give impact to the community. So that's why I'm here. I'm your 2025 Hello President, and again, if you wanted to dare and to win for the community and for yourself, if you wanted to give impact to the community, then JCI will be your home. I called it a home because I have a family here. Though I have a strong support system, no? Sama ka ganyan sa ginayon ni Mama, JCI ka na po. Asa ka? JCI na po. Sorry Ma, if you're watching. Oh, actually, asa ka? Like weekends? Like last weekend, last February, sunod-sunod po yung induction in Davao Region. So, from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, may project along the way. I also supported those projects of my mga batch sa JCI sa Davao Region. And yun nga, sabi ni Mama, JCI na pud ka, JCI na pud ka. Yun, siguro di pa nila nakikita, but gradually they are appreciating.
Yes.
Siguro di nila sila vocal na appreciation no, sa akong mga ginabuhat ba. But I hope that I give impact to this organization, and on the 3rd month no, I'm serving this organization. I hope that what we've started here will really push boundaries, no?
Yes.
Mas better pa for the next projects, and mas daghan patag matabangan for the community. Yeah, that's JCI Maragusan Piagsawitan, and thank you both
Thank you,
ladies.
Press.
Thank you so much.
Maano pa ko sa transition from Kuya to Press.
Kuya Press.
Kuya Press. Kuya Press na lang.
Anyways,
Mr.
that's
Budol.
what a great way to end this
Yes.
episode. But anyways, before we actually end, I just want to say I'm so excited to be part of this family and actually be part of the future project. So
Yes.
Yes, and also before that, I just want to give a little, affirmation that you are seen. Wow, this is to Press Darwin. Like, you are seen, you're appreciated.
Yes.
Because, diba, given sa 3 months pa, we are jumping boundaries, Press. We are not just walking, we are jumping on it. From, I think every month we have garay. So, what we call ourselves are bida-bida, but we
Yeah.
like it. We like it.
Tama rin no, if you're a bida-bida,
Come here,
join
join us.
Ito.
Yes,
Yun.
I just want to give that, like, dili makita, no, it's not that dili makita sa tanan, makita sa tanan, they just don't know kung kinsa may point. But here, ako ang i-emphasize,
Yes.
nga ang atuwa yung LO president, ang pinaka-head. I may be the project chairperson, but he is the head. Yes.
But again, everything goes smoothly and successful because of you guys. We really help and extend your help for the local organization and for the community we're
Yes.
serving. And yun, marami pa po tayong gagawin for JCI Maragusan Piagsawitan, and this will be the very first episode of this podcast. That which is I am very dreaming no. Dugay na dyan ako nagagina-dream.
That was like last year pa.
Yeah,
diba?
last year pa actually, ginadream na ako ni during Press Charlie na time. And yun, I hope you learned something with us. Naging host na.
Go.
So,
Ano ba no guess?
guess pa lang. Sige, guess pa lang. Again, thank you to this beautiful ladies beside me, our resident host. This will
Yes.
be the beautiful ladies na be joining you on the next episode of this
Yes.
podcast. And I hope you really learn on us, and I hope you will be proud. I mean, part of the growing community of JCI Maragosan Pexawitan.
So what are you waiting for? Join now!
Commercial. Ibukod na. So I just make a shout out and thank you. Of course, thank you so much to 1996 Bakery and Cafe. If you wanted to have premium coffees,
Yes.
if you wanted
Also,
to
yung
Aramida.
pictures for
Yeah.
Instagram kami.
pastries
Nice
and
tayo.
everything, so you may visit 1996 Bakery and Cafe. Thank you, VP,
Yes.
GM, and of course to everyone who supported us from the very beginning, to our father chapter, JCI Davao Inc., who really supported us for the creation of this local organization. I hope you are proud of us, for our 4th year. We are making our small baby steps, also to someone who supported our local organization, to Sen Gladys Ayuste. Thank you so much, Sen, for your continuous and support for the local organization. And of course, to our past presidents and to my 2025 board of directors, to my members, to my baby JCs and upcoming members of this local organization. Again, we are here not for just ourselves, but for the community we are serving, because we wanted this year to dare
And win. Yes, and thank you so much. And that's the end of our first episode. See you next episode. Don't forget to share, like, and comment.
The vlog.
Bye.
Bye, guys.